This video shows the bleeding procedure for the 3000 CXD trolley jack. Firstly, open the jack release valve. Then pump the jack 20 times using the jack handle. This should have purged any air from the system and lubricated the internal seals. Now, tighten the release valve by turning the jack handle clockwise. If the jack arm doesn't lift, or rises but won't hold a load, repeat the procedure. If the problem persists, contact your dealer. These instructions apply to all our jacks, but the method of operating the release valve varies. Here we've shown the most common types. If you have a different type of release valve, refer to the manufacturer's instructions for further details. And that completes the bleeding exercise.